Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and today's episode is all about announcing the winner of the shock absorber giveaway. I'm really excited to share this with you guys. Lots of you have asked for the update on this, and it is finally here. I'm going to announce who the winner is. There's a lot of legal stuff that goes on with giveaways, so I had to iron all that stuff out first, and now I can finally share with you guys the winner of this giveaway. Now, before I announce the winner, I do want to mention one quick thing. This year is the first year that I've released an annual Christmas sweater, and it's actually a hoodie because I like hoodies more than sweaters, but it should be popping up on the side of the screen here. This is a custom piece of artwork done specifically for the Christmas sweater here at Classic Mini DIY. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. If you want to pick one of these up and help support the builds on this channel, specifically the Supercharger build that is coming up here soon, head over into the link in the description below. Additionally, I have linked the awesome artist Pearly Green on Instagram. He is the one who crafted this for me, did all of the artwork, so thank you so much to him. If you like what he does, go ahead and give him a follow. Super excited with the way this turned out. But this Christmas sweater is only going to be available until the end of December. So December 31st is going to be the cutoff, and I'm not going to be selling this one anymore. It's an annual Christmas sweater, so I'm only going to carry it through Christmas, obviously. And moving forward, every year I'm going to be releasing a brand new Christmas sweater design. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. Now, thanks so much for sitting through that promotional stuff, and I think it's finally time to announce the winner. This season's giveaway was a set of SPAX shock absorbers. Super nice set of adjustable shock absorbers for the Classic Mini. I've heard nothing but good things, so I'm really excited to be giving away a set of these. Now, this season's winner, drum roll please, was Edgars M in Latvia. So, huge congratulations to Edgars. I'm super excited to be sending this out to you. You were the first person to win something from Latvia, so pretty exciting stuff. And that package should be hitting the mail here soon. The order has been placed, so keep an eye on your doorstep for a nice set of 4 standard adjustable shock absorbers for your Classic Mini. Now, for those of you who didn't win, I'm sorry, but there will be more giveaways in the future. Let me know in the comment section below, what kind of things do you want for the next giveaway? Keep in mind that I'm not a bajillionaire, so these parts do get paid for with the support from the channel, so all the money that you guys contribute really pays for the giveaway parts that I do on the channel. So what kind of thing would you like to see given away on the channel? Would you rather have one enormous giveaway at the end of the year, or maybe a bunch of small ones throughout the year? Let me know what you think, and I'll see what I can do about accommodating those. But that's going to wrap up this quick little episode. I hope you guys are as excited as I am for the winner, and until the next video, enjoy those minis, and motor on!